but he got placed. Meet this guy as well. Yay! Placements हो रहे हैं भाई लोंडो. Shravan,
Yeah.
what do you have to say?
I don't have it.
A man of few words, guys. A man of few words. He doesn't say just work. Shravan, what do you have to say about the college?
Very good to come here.
And even 3 years, but
Just reflect on what Ryan said right now. Right?
what did he say? Leave in 3 years.
Yeah. He said very good college.
I mean, Shrav can't say anything bad now. He's got
yeah, he
placed.
got placed. Like, you know, right? In few days, there will be a alumnus photo in which Shravan Krishna will also be there. Shayad. By a lot of us is getting placed by. कह रहे थे हम लोग अपना कब होगा कह रहे थे
जब रजिस्टर करेगा तब होगा.
तेरा तो हो जाएगा मेरा तो वो भी नहीं होगा कह रहे थे
रजिस्टर
मेरे को पहले एलिजिबल तो होने
डिटेल्स इन द प्लेस.
and Ryan, I have trust and faith in Ryan ki at least by the end of the semester or by the end of summer pe he will get placed.
God, give me some more control.
नहीं भाई हाँ but
Don't think it's happened.
how was your interview?
Interview was fine, but
When was your interview?
Placement hospital.
Yeah, you can check there.
what will it say?
Check drive status. We have reached half the way of LPU main gate till LPU main gate.
More way.
Half more way. After that, Shravan is gone.
Why does it smell like chicken?
Hey, keep quiet. Smells like chicken.
It's like a butcher shop. है ना?
अरे वो आया होगा
इधर किधर है?
फूड स्क्वायर. Very bad. Whoa. Hey, Shravan, look here. Hey, Shravan, look here. Hey, Shravan, look here.
That was the last round. There's only one round. The final result is pending.
So yet not out. Might be Ryan is already placed.
No chance.
Who knows? Only the company knows. Chef Labs.
I don't think the company also knows who's placed.
And Shravan,
Yeah.
you want to reveal your company in which you are placed?
No.
No stipend, no company.
It is closely related to a game he plays every day with us.
In which
How
How will people know that what game he plays with
it's
us?
up to the audience to understand.
अरे भाई
It's closely related to a game in which you create multiple of some things, try those things out, then you buy something from a certain place, and so on.
Yeah, me too. Even Shravan doesn't know what is that.
It's his father's surname.
Huh? Clash Royale? Oh! Oh! What about the first one?
You buy something from where? You buy cards, you buy coins from
हाँ पूरा नाम ही बता दे.
asking. You shouldn't have put the name of the game. Who told you?
Never mind, guys. Oh my God!
Does your phone have? Will it survive?
He has 2 power banks. Not even one.
Brother, it is still his phone.
Ryan, your power bank access is gone now.
No.
Yeah.
He also has one.
Charging in Shravan's room is gone, bro.
No, I'll still go and charge my shit then.
Yeah,
Will
exactly.
Kenneth officially now move into a 4-seater from a 3-seater?
But I will go
Wahe
once in a while.
Mohsen.
Meet and check up on you.
Kahe muh se nain nain. We are near the Uni Hospital right now. 5 minutes until we make it. Fake it till you make it, right? That's of wisdom for the people who who are looking up to join LPU.
I mean, study, do well, know your shit like Shravan.
I never knew my shit.
Before LPU, that
I never knew my shit.
No, Shravan knows his shit.
Shravan knows his shit.
No. Get a
Sorry.
Get a certain someone who will push you to do all the stuff you're supposed to do. Like go into 20-30 hackathons outside campus. Study. Brother never used to study before.
After certain someone came.
Yeah, and he started increasing his CGPA.
Yeah.
Became more open,
Yeah.
more.
He would have never got placed.
Became- what do you
He would
say?
have never got placed this time. Only because certain someone got placed. He was like, no, I need to go Bangalore as well. So, yeah. But he called it.
I mean, it was expected he would get placed wherever he selects.
But he was like,
But he-
I might be in Bangalore before my birthday. By the way, his birthday is on May 10th.
Actually, bro, this was summer also. The
He was
confidence
like-
he had in not even.
That is after Kavya got placed.
His motivation of
being
something
like,
else.
yeah, in 1-2 months I'll be in Bangalore.
I'm going.
I am going. The confidence, the arrogance, the aura, all of it.
Come now, Shravan Krishna. What is going on there?
Saurabh was smiling and going, Shravan, this stuff.
Oh, we need to take a picture out here, man. Yeah. The ritual. The ritual that started with Saurabh Mishra continues with Shravan Krishna. The S's. The essence of the S's. Let's see who is going next.
I'll stop it out.
The ritual has been completed, guys.
I expect you to gain some mass
Yeah.
back for the end.
That is quite impossible.
No, it is possible now, first since he's in Bangalore. You can
Plus,
have
he's
one-
living by himself.
And you get constant non-veg foods. He'll be going home almost every week or every 2 weeks.
Hey Shrav, I have a suggestion for you. You want to have biryani? Get Meghna biryani.
We give him some discount and get it.
How can I give discount? Not my shop, dude.
Not his fault also.
No, their biryani is crazy. The 1 month I was in Bangalore,
What is the price?
it might have been, I don't remember actually.
That's what gain some mass in that. And he'll touch 50.
Once you eat Meghna biryani, then you will gain some mass.
That is the goal.
That is a goal.
What is your living situation there? Have you decided anything?
Nope.
He doesn't need to decide anything, dude. There is someone who can decide.
He's in people's place.
There is someone who can
But to be
decide.
fair, talk to Saurabh
Yeah.
I told him to,
and be roomies with Saurabh for some time if you want.
but he said that Saurabh and him are in different locations.
That was the main thing.
No.
What's your location?
Closer to Kavya, but he gave a good, nice diagram of all jobs, locations.
Crazy. You know, right? There are apps, Zolo Living and all shit like that, where you can.
For a few
Whoa.
months, na? Just for a few months.
Why? What after that?
They will get a new place.
Oh. Whoa.
Big step.
Beach stepper, Shravan Krishna.
Or the best step that will be placed.
I don't even know even in few months we'll get placed or not.
I think there is high chance
But one thing I know.
that we will be living in campus by then. Brother, his whole life is set. I was going to say, man.
We are graduating, so we'll like come to my wedding.
We'll be like, we'll be like, ma'am, I have to miss this attempt because of our friends.
He
Friend, man.
Shra-
Last twist,
Shravan Krishna, ma'am.
the biggest plot twist will be. Hey, stop the video first.